reactions to, and I have a Airsoft GI unboxing from you. It's Jake from the 18th Assault Unit. So here we go. $75 worth of a beautiful camouflage. Just some, Airsoft GI pamphlets, I guess you could say. BFC Star H high capacity magazine. Got the wheel down there, and got the Ranger clip. Information at one. Why don't you see that? This is a Condor thumb pouch. So I've got 2 magazines. Use that. A tan real mag pull, 7.62 NATO. Mag pull for my high cap, and this was free, $3.50. You know, why not? 5.56 NATO one. You know, my budget was $75, and this made it about 50 cents short. So, and that's my dog's barking. So here's another pamphlet. So open the magazine, and as you can probably tell, I got a lot of stuff since my last video. Got all my Army Digital stuff. I'm pretty sure this is all metal, so nice. A really nice magazine. Magazine on it. Jeez, how are these things supposed to get on? Barely. Okay. That'll wait till later, I guess. So Condor thumb pouch. Pretty sure this is for belts, but I'm pretty sure it can go on Molly gear, so why not? So, and this is also 450 rounds. So thanks for watching, and just one more thing to say. Whoever keeps on hacking me, stop. What do you get in hacking a 13-year-old, like a 13-year-old's Airsoft and reenactment channel? I mean, I don't really get what's good about it, so stop. Alright. So thanks to all my people that subscribe, comment, not rate, like, and subscribe. So